We're gonna make crunchy chicken yakitori. That's the chicken on a stick that kids like to dip in all Japanese restaurants. First step is to soak some wooden skewers for an hour. We need a 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce. Now we need a 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 cloves of chopped up garlic, 1 inch of fresh peeled ginger. Now we need a tablespoon of honey.
I'll just transport it over here, okay?
Okay. And now we're gonna stir it all up. It in the bag. Here. And now we're gonna add our strips of chicken. Put it in the fridge for a 1/2 hour. For a 1/2 hour. In there. All done. Now open this bag. Put 2 cups of cornflakes in there. Okay. Now we're gonna let the air out of the bag so it doesn't pop when we smash the cereal. We're gonna take it, put it in this big Tupperware container. So, after our chicken is marinated, gonna pull out a piece, take a skewer. Be very careful because the skewer is very sharp. So we wanna like hold this stationary, weave the chicken on like that, and like that. You can't roll it, sprinkle it with your hands. You wanna have all the skewers facing the same way because we're gonna cover them at the end. Now, we're gonna take a piece of tin foil and hold it down. And then we're gonna cover up just the bottom of the skewers so they don't get burned in the oven.
Check them after about 10 minutes. No need to flip them in the oven.
Okay.
It looks pretty good, Bill.